Alright, welcome back guys, and we are going to do factorization. Factorization of algebraic expression. Okay, so the first question is to factorize this expression here. Alright, so when we factorize, we need to find something similar. Alright, let's say we have AB and CB, right? The similar terms is the B, and for the next one is the similar terms will be the 2, right? So the similar term we take out, right? And what we have is we put a bracket and A plus C, because when we open up the bracket, when we expand, we will get back AB, right? B times A is AB or BA, doesn't matter, same thing. And B times C is BC, same thing as CB, same thing, right? So we get the same thing, so not to worry. Okay, then and it's nicer when we factorize the algebraic expression. And the term of the plus 2 take out, right? A plus C, close bracket, right? Because when we expand, we get back 2A and 2C. Simple, right? Now this is not the end of it, because this is not the final answer, because we have A plus C and A plus C. They are the same, right? So what we do, we take it out, right? A plus A, and then we have B plus 2, because A plus C, this bracket multiplied by B, we get back the B bracket A plus C, and the same thing multiplied by 2, we'll get back to A plus C. Now if you, let's say you can't see that much, well, we will do something similar to this. Let's say bx, right, plus 2x, where x is your A plus C. Alright? Okay, so if we have this type of question, bx plus 2x, what must we do? What can we do? We have to remove take out this x, right? Because the x, it is common term, right? So b plus 2. Simple, right? That's all, folks. Okay, that's your part A. Now part B is much more challenging. We realize that we can't do much. We can proceed if we don't change the 3 minus 2y and the 2y minus 3. We have to make them the same, because they are very close, right? 3 minus 2y and then 2y minus 3. Okay. Well, what we're going to do is, I'll show you 2y. Let's say we want the 2y minus 3 to be exactly as 3 minus 2y. Okay, to be equal to bracket 3 minus 2y. But we have to, obviously we have to do something. We have to add something or minus something or multiply by something, right? If we multiply by negative 1, okay, what would it be? We say, here comes the magic. Negative times positive is negative 3. Negative and negative is positive 2y, which is exactly 2y minus 3. By just multiplying the 3 minus 2y by minus 1, right, by negative 1, we will get back 2y minus 3. Okay, in other words, okay, this let me just erase this one here. Okay, right, 2y minus 3 is exactly equal to negative bracket 3 minus 2y. Okay, therefore with that knowledge, right, we can complete our factorization. Alright, okay, that means this will be equal to 5x, okay, 3 minus 2y minus 2x, right, multiplied by negative 1, multiplied by the same term up. We don't use the 2y minus 3 because it's useless already. So we're going to proceed with your 3 minus 2y. Okay, remember these 2, right, when we multiply that, we will get back 2y minus 3. Okay, alright, so we can proceed with our factorization. We realize that it is already happy. We are very happy. 3 minus 2y, 3 minus 2y, they are the same, right? So we can take out the 3 minus 2y, okay? And then the next one will be 5x. This will be plus 2x. Can see? Beautiful. Simple. Simple. Okay, so after that, what? Obviously we cannot leave it as it is, because 5x and 2x you can combine, right? So becomes 7x bracket 3 minus 2y. That's it. This is your final answer. Okay, we will have more of this question. All right, don't worry. All right, this type of how we switch. Beautiful. Beautifully. I love this thing. Alright, so the next one we have 2ax plus 16xy minus 4a squared x squared. We are looking for, we are required obviously to factorize them, right? So when we factorize them, we have to make sure that they are the same, alright, as previously before factorization, right? So the term is 2. Obviously 2 we can take out, because this 16 and there's a 4, we take out the smallest one, right? So 2 is the smallest, and we take out, there's no a here, there's a, but there's no a at the 16xy, so we cannot take out the a, we can only take out 2. Can we take out the x? There's x here and there's x squared, so take out the smallest one, x. Simple. And of course we have already outside is 2x, we need 2ax, we are left with a, right? So because 2x times a is 2ax. Okay, done deal. And we shall proceed with the second term, which is 16. So this is still positive here because outside is positive. So 2 times 8, 16. X is already outside. We have y. We are left with y, right? Follow? The 2 times 8 is 16. The x times y is xy. Done deal. Simple. Alright. Okay, then we proceed with the next one. Okay. The next term is negative 4. So we have negative 2. 2 times 2 is 4. We have a squared. Outside there's no a squared, so we must put a squared here. Alright, no choice. And we have x squared. Outside there's only x, so we still have to put x here. Correct? When we multiply 2 and 2, we get 4x times x squared is x. I mean, x times x is x squared. And of course, we have a squared here. Done deal. Alright? Simple? Nice, right? Beautiful. Okay. We shall proceed with the next one. But D, we have the square root of 169 p to the power of 8 q to the power of 6 divided by p to the power of 4 q cubed and 13. Alright. Square root of this. This is something that you must know a little bit of law of indices, right? When we square root things, okay? Do note, square root of a to the power of m root, n root, a to the power of m n root. It means that m will become the numerator, the denominator is the root n. Alright? In other words, that means when we have square root of a, b, c, it means we can individually square root them. That means square root of a multiplied by square root of b multiplied by square root of c. Simple? Simple. Right? Done deal. Okay, so we have to apply this law of indices, alright, into our part D here. Okay, that means what we have is we're going to square root of 169, right, multiplied by square root of p to the power of 8 multiplied by square root of q to the power of 6. Divide, we can change to time, right? This will be 13 p to the power of 4 q to the power of 8. Okay, so when we do that, square root of 169 is 13, alright, multiplied by p to the power of 8 over 2, right, which is 4, right? Simple. Okay, remember the law. Okay, the numerator will be the 4, the denominator will be the root. Okay, so it will be to the power of 4, and your q, 6 divided by 2, which is 3, right? And you multiply that by 13 over p to the power of 4 q cube. So p4, p to the power of 4 gone case, q cube and q cube gone case. So 13 and 13, we get back your favorite 169 there. Okay, simple, right? Very simple. Easy, right? Easy. Can. But E, and I have a few more. I have about 5 more questions. I'll see you in the next video. All right, take care. Bye bye.